Hi, Prav here. I hope you enjoy the ebooks that you just got. I put my heart into them and I know you're going to get a lot of information to get started on the right path to know how to buy and use essential oils. Now, I want to explain an online workshop that I have. It's all recorded. It's about essential oils. It's called Essential Oils One-on-One, what they are, how they're made, how to tell the fake ones, fragrances, from real aromatherapy. We'll talk about how to use them for your family and yourself and even on your pets. As a bonus, you get access to our private Facebook page to talk about essential oils with other people, and I give a weekly 20-minute live every week. I also include the audiobooks of the free books you just got and another ebook and audiobook called The Wonders of Essential Oil. You know, it just depends on if you want to read or listen, right? I got some things that go along with the class that you can buy or not. One is a bunch of essential oils in a package like this. They're not high grade, really expensive oils, and they're not low grade, awful oils. They're a nice middle range oil. You have the option to buy a diffuser for aromatherapy that comes with 40 filters, so you don't have to use distilled water. I think that'll save you money over time. Now, you don't have to get them, of course, but sometimes it's just easier to have these things arrive at your door, right? So, as I said before, my name is Prav, and I've been an aromatherapist for over 28 years and a licensed massage therapist. I haven't had the flu since 18 years, and I had COVID when there were only 16 cases in the country. Nobody knew what to do about it. I used breathing exercises and essential oils, and I believe that's what kept me out of the hospital. My doctor was thrilled, yay! So that's when I realized I have to make this knowledge and information available to everybody. And thank you, internet, yay! I can do it at an affordable price. You know, normally I would charge about $1,000 for this information, and today it's $97. So, you know, it's time to get it. I hope you do. I hope to see you on the other side. I hope to get to know you in our Facebook group, and I'll see you soon, okay? It's Prav from Love of All Things Massage, signing off. Bye. Mwah.